Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a very interesting breakfast recipe. So let's get it started. For this I've taken 4 eggs and 6 slices of breads, some oregano, chili flakes, oil and pepper. To the eggs I've added some salt, some chili flakes, some oregano. Be careful with the salt if you're using salted oregano. To that I'm adding some freshly grounded black pepper. Now whisk this until everything comes together. You can add some milk to this if you wish. I don't like milk in my eggs, so I'm skipping that. I've taken a pan here, a grill pan. उसमें मैं डाल दूंगी तेल. You can use butter if you like, but then I don't like butter. It makes it too heavy. अभी मैं इसमें डिप करूंगी ब्रेड्स को एंड देन पैन में ऐड कर देना है. एंड आफ्टर अ मिनट और सो टर्न इट ओवर. Cook this until you get the desired color. My first batch is done. Doing the second batch. I've used a grill pan because यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा तेल कम यूज करोगे तो चल जाता है. Now you can use a regular pan. Second batch. Few more bread slices. This was a brunch, so yeah. आप स्नैक्स में भी दे सकते हैं बच्चों को. Flipping it over. You can serve this with any kind of ketchup, chutney, anything you wish to. And this is how it looks like. I hope you like this video. And if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.